today I am going to talk about the dental care teeth grinding mouth guards. So this is custom fit and they are BPA free, which is nice. They're moldable and they are dental night guards, and they come in 2 different sizes. So they're pretty much the same size, but one is a little smaller, one is not. You get 4 of them in the box, as well as like a little blue container that you can use to store your mouth guard in when you have it, so you're not fishing for it or just leaving it around somewhere on your nightstand and you need to have somewhere to keep it. So it's nice that it comes with that. And you get 2 different sizes, so 2 big ones and 2 small ones. They are made of FDA approved high quality materials, and for those of you who have a latex allergy, they are latex free, so yay for that. So they can be used also to whiten your teeth. If you put this obviously isn't molded yet, but if you put a whitening cream or whatever product in there and then at night you use it to kind of let your teeth kind of soak in it, then you can use it to whiten your teeth as well at the same time. So that's one reason a lot of people like to use these types of things. Personally, I grind my teeth a lot. I have to deal with grinding to clenching my jaw shut at night when I'm stressed out. And so that is definitely not something that I want to have to deal with the consequences for. So to avoid headaches and grinding my teeth down, I bought this. And I bought this when I was just looking for a nice mouth guard. I needed something that would customize to my mouth because personally I have very small teeth. Like they're just really small, and my gums get irritated when I have, regular mouth guards. So it's really important for me to have something that I can mold and also trim. And you can trim this with regular scissors and just use that. Also, I have a very strong overbite, and I bite down like way over my teeth. And so sometimes it's tricky for me to find a good mouth guard that helps deal with that. So I would definitely check this product out if you're just looking for something that you can easily mold to fit your mouth and work with your, dental issues. So to mold it, I put it in my mouth first, and I always try to make sure that it fits properly and that it covers all my teeth. And if it's way too much, I would trim it a little bit on the ends. But remember, when it gets into the water, like when it's done boiling and when it's heated, the material will shrink. So keep that in mind when you're trimming it. If you do it too short, remember that it will shrink up. And so, if the size changes, make sure you're just keeping that in mind. So when you put it in your mouth and you've trimmed it and you kind of figured out which size works best for you, because you get 2 sizes, then you put it in, you have water and you get it to boil, and then remove it from the heat, and then immediately place the guard in the water. And then you use like a large spoon or utensil or something and you fish it out after about 10 seconds. So I would leave it in there for 10 seconds. And then when you feel like it's cool enough, but it's still like hot, no burning or anything, like if it's not too hot to, you don't want to burn your mouth, then you quickly put it in your mouth and you close it. But let it get as hot as it can, before where it's not burning you to put it in, just so you get a good mold. You don't want it to be too solid. So basically, when you do that, you put it in your mouth and then you bite down. You don't really bite down hard though. You just close your mouth and you kind of push on your mouth to let it mold to your teeth. And you make sure that it covers every single tooth. So let the plastic just mold to your teeth. Don't press your teeth together or anything. And then you make sure that it, you know, like if it doesn't fit right, you can trim it a little bit more right then. But if it's too solid, then you're not going to be able to trim it. So just keep that in mind. It does solidify fairly quickly. And then you dunk it in more water, and then you run it under cold water. So it kind of, the hot and the cold kind of makes it process. And it's really fast, and that's why I went through all of them. I did mess up one, and then I was like, I did get another one right, and I actually misplaced mine lately, but it's still such a great product that I felt like I had to talk about it. I'll be using this one right after this. Like, I found that it just fits to my teeth, and what's nice is I can easily just pop it off. It has to be sturdy. It has to not be falling off your teeth. Make sure that works. And you can mold it again, but only like a few times. And everyone's mouth is different. It does come out clear. It's clear now, but it's also clear when it's molded. And it's much more solid. This is like still bendy, you know. And then make sure that, you know, when you're wearing it, you make sure that you clean it regularly. They're very durable, very solid once they're molded. And I travel with this on overnight trips, and it's not too bulky, and I can still talk with it on, which is nice because, you know, there's always those ones that are really bulky and that, you know, you can't even have a conversation in. I have a significant other, and it is a great gift for a significant other. If they grind their teeth and you know that it's troublesome for them, then this might be the perfect gift for them. Maybe not for their birthday, but, you know, as a gesture. And I do go to the dentist, but I found that I don't need to with this. Like, for a mouth guard, I would definitely just check this one out. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got something out of it, and I hope you check this product out.